ये सबसे संसद का महत्वपूर्ण समय होता है। मेरा आपसे आग्रह है कि आप संसद की मर्यादाएं, परंपराओं को बना के रखें, अच्छी परंपराएं शुरू करें। मैं हर विषय पर, हर मुद्दे पर आपको बोलने की इजाजत दूंगा, लेकिन प्रश्नकाल के अंदर किसी मुद्दे की इजाजत नहीं।
As amended in 2006, this House will proceed to elect in the manner as directed by the Chairman, one member from among the members of the House to be a member of the National Tiger Conservation Authority.
Motion moved. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think ayes have it. Ayes have it. Ayes have it. Motion is adopted. Dr. Al Murugan to move a motion for nomination of 7 members to the Committee on Public Accounts.
Respected Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, I rise to move that this House concurs in the recommendations of the Lok Sabha that the Rajya Sabha to agree to nominate 7 members from Rajya Sabha to associate with the Committee on Public Accounts for the term beginning on the 1st May 2025 and ending on the 30th April 2026, and they proceed to elect in such manner as directed by the Chairman 7 members from amongst the members of the House to serve the said committee.
Motion moved. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think ayes have it. Ayes have it. Ayes have it. Motion is adopted. No. Dr. L. Murugan to move a motion for nomination of 7 members to the Committee on Public Accounts.
Respected Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, I rise to move that this House concurs in the recommendation of the Lok Sabha that the Rajya Sabha to agree to nominate 7 members from Rajya Sabha to associate with the Committee on the Public Undertaking for the term beginnings on the 1st May 2025 and the ending on the 30th April 2026, and to proceed to elect in such manner as directed by the Chairman 7 members from amongst the members of the House to serve on the said committee.
Motion moved. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The ayes have it. Motion adopted. Dr. L. Murugan to move a motion for nomination of 10 members to the Committee on the Welfare of Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes.
Respected Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, I rise to move that this House resolves that the Rajya Sabha to join the committee of both the houses of the welfare of scheduled caste and scheduled.
So the ruckus taking place in the Rajya Sabha, in fact in the Lok Sabha as well. After sloganeering, the lower house has been adjourned. Teshi continues to stay live with us. Teshi, there was a lot of sloganeering from the opposition leaders. Was the Waqf report tabled?
Well, absolutely. See, there was a lot of sloganeering in Lok Sabha, and in fact, it was not tabled till the time the Lok Sabha started, and in fact, it was adjourned. Now it's adjourned till 2 p.m. and then we saw that ruckus in Rajya Sabha as well. L. Murugan was speaking that time also. There was a lot of ruckus, and in fact, now we'll have to see what happens next, because till 2 p.m. certainly this particular report has, as of now, till 2 p.m. it's not been tabled. Post that, we'll have to see that how opposition reacts to it, and in fact, since morning we have been saying that there will certainly be a showdown in the parliament as far as this particular Waqf report tabling in the parliament is concerned, because opposition has been criticizing this particular move of the centre government since the beginning, and that is why this particular JPC was formed. And in fact, remember that more than 30 meetings were in fact held as far as this Waqf report before in fact compiling this entire Waqf report. And in fact, as you have rightly mentioned, there were several amendments, and the amendments that were proposed by opposition, they all were rejected because they could not gather the majority of votes. But then the opposition but then the amendments made by the leaders from the side of the government, they was to some extent they were accepted. So now we'll have to see that now what happens after this particular report is tabled
In fact, we have updates coming in from the Rajya Sabha. Let's take a look at what's happening there.
Ask your members, honorable leader of the opposition, let us listen to the message of the president. She is the first citizen of the country, the first tribal woman ever to hold this post. Please take your seats. Please take your seat. Don't disrespect. I'll name you. I would name the members now. I will not overlook or countenance disrespect to the honorable president. I appeal to leader of the opposition. Please take your seats. Please take your seats. If you are showing disrespect to the honorable president, the house is adjourned to meet at 11:20.
Okay, all right. So the Rajya Sabha has been adjourned as well till 11:20. So it will resume shortly. The opposition has raised the issue of the Waqf report. The opposition continues to say that they had given several suggestions. They had also suggested some amendments, but these suggestions were not taken into consideration. So Tejshri, clearly the opposition is continuing to raise the issue, and in the Lok Sabha as well as the Rajya Sabha, we are seeing the showdown.
Well, absolutely. It seems like there is no full stop to this particular bill that's in fact will be tabled. But yes, today the report is going to be tabled, and that's why opposition is creating ruckus in both the houses, and hence the Lok Sabha is adjourned till 2 p.m. and the Rajya Sabha is adjourned till 11:20. We'll have to see that what happens next. In fact, what we're also learning is that, as you have rightly mentioned, that opposition was raising this particular issue in the parliament. That in fact, you know, that there were several amendments that the opposition particularly had proposed, and categorically they mentioned that these amendments are necessary and they should be in fact mentioned they should be mentioned in this particular report. But these all amendments by the opposition were rejected, and that is why the opposition is disappointed by this rejection. And in fact, that is why they are saying that how can they table this particular report without considering the amendments of the opposition. So now we'll have to see that what happens when both the houses, say the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha, when they begin, how the opposition reacts to it. Will there be an uproar again in the parliament? Will the opposition be again raising the questions that their demands are unheard? Or in fact, after tabling the report, what will they say and how will they react, and how particularly will the government be responding to all their allegations and the claims and the questions that have been raised by the opposition?
Okay, all right. So the opposition, Tejshri, what are the key issues that the opposition wants changes to? The opposition has said that these suggestions were made, but it was not taken. What are the key objections that they have raised? Tejshri? All right, so let's get you the details that have been mentioned and the amendments that have been brought in as well. So there have been multiple discussions. Viewers, you know, over the last 6 months or so, there have been multiple meetings of the Waqf JPC. And in a few of these meetings, things also got out of hand. The opposition claiming that their suggestions were not taken into consideration. And we've seen this ruckus play out time and again during these meetings, after which finally the report has been submitted. It is now to be tabled in the Lok Sabha, but we are getting information of a lot of disruptions that are taking place. In fact, we have reactions coming in. Listen in.
डिसेंट दिया था, सॉफ्ट डिसेंट को बात दे दिया। ये पूरा एगेंस्ट है, रूल में है, जो रिमार्क्स, जो कमेंट्स इज इनअप्रोप्रिएट ओनली कैन बी डन, गिवन, ओनली कैन बी डिलीटेड। हम लोग सब, हम और नदीम जो लीगल पॉइंट में दिया था, तो लीगल पॉइंट में दिया था, एविडेंस को कंसीडर नहीं किया है। हम लोग बात करेंगे, अभी देखते हैं, हम लोग स्पीकर का पास भी जाते हैं सर।
मुझे लगता है कि कहीं ना कहीं इस सरकार ने उस एक्ट को कैसे और बेहतर इम्प्लीमेंट कर पाए वो ना देखते हुए राजनीतिक रूप से एक संशोधन को लाने की कोशिश करी। जब बिल पे जब अगर कभी चर्चा होगी सदन में तो सब प्रकाशित हो जाएगा कि किस प्रकार से सरकार ने बिना कोई तैयारी किए हुए इस बिल को लाया गया।
Let's go across to my colleague Mohit joining us on the broadcast. So Mohit, the opposition says that the entire JPC was an eyewash. The suggestions that were made by the opposition leaders were not taken into consideration, but there have been multiple discussions. What are these key issues that they have raised and the reaction that has come in from the BJP on why those amendments have not been brought in?
Well, Pratibha, you see, since the day the JPC was formed regarding the Waqf Amendment Bill, we have seen that the opposition leaders on continuous basis, they have been attacking the government and they have been basically saying that this particular amendment is against the Muslim. The government is trying to snatch away the rights of the Muslim and they are trying to intervene into the laws of the Muslim community. And we have seen that how the various opposition leaders, they have come out and they have basically said that these amendments will take away the rights of the Muslims, and hence we have seen opposition leaders, they have been protesting in various committee meetings. We know for a fact that how Kanyan Banerjee in one of the meetings got very aggressive, injured in hand also. But now that the report has been tabled in the parliament, in Rajya Sabha, the report has been accepted, but there was a massive ruckus and massive uproar in the parliament. There are certain changes that have been approved by the JPC, including that if there is a claim by the Waqf board on a particular land, then the top government official will scrutinize the claim that have come in. And also anybody who gives the land to Waqf should be a practicing Muslim for 5 years. Now, Waqf board will also have the non-Muslim members. So that these are few of the issues that are being contested by the opposition parties. While the government has been saying this, that the Waqf amendment is need of the time. This is needed because the poor Muslims, their rights are being snatched away by people who are sitting on the plum posts in the Waqf boards, and hence it was the need of time that you cannot arbitrarily go and say that this is a Waqf land. Now, earlier there could not if Waqf board goes to a land and says that this is our property, the person who owns that land has to show that this is their property. But now there is a provision to go to court, and the officials with the level of DM or the above level will scrutinize the claims that will be made by the Waqf board. Now, this has been the bone of contention, where the opposition parties basically say that the government is trying to attack the minority, they are trying to take away their Waqf, and now we have seen that how in the past Asaduddin Owaisi have also stated that this is a ploy by government to take away the Waqf land, and this will not happen. So clearly we see massive uproar in Rajya Sabha when this report was being tabled. It has been accepted in the Rajya Sabha, but then amidst the uproar we see that how the parliament has been adjourned. But yes, this particular issue will be taken by the opposition parties. Now many of them are saying that they will go and meet the Lok Sabha speaker, but then the report has been accepted and it has been tabled in the parliament. But yes, today is the last day of the parliament, and now we'll see that whenever the next session is being called in, this issue would be raised. So clearly we see that how there has been a massive uproar in Rajya Sabha over the JPC report, and now the Rajya Sabha has been adjourned. Back to you in studio.
Okay, all right, Mohit, stay with us. Let's break it down for our viewers as well on the changes that have been made to the bill. So it could have been a historic day. There are still, of course, a few more hours to go. Let's